Team, I'm excited to announce that we'll be implementing a new cleaning regime to enhance the cleanliness and hygiene of our workplace. This initiative aligns with our commitment to providing a healthy and safe environment for all staff and visitors.
That's great news, Mihira. What changes can we expect?
We'll be increasing the frequency of cleaning in common areas and high-touch surfaces. Additionally, we'll be introducing new cleaning products that are more effective against germs and viruses.
Will this affect our daily routines?
There might be some temporary disruptions during the initial implementation of the new regime. However, we'll strive to minimize any inconvenience and ensure that cleaning activities are carried out efficiently.
Are there any specific guidelines or protocols we need to follow, Mihira?
We'll provide detailed guidelines and training sessions to ensure that all staff members are aware of the new cleaning procedures. It's important to follow these guidelines to maintain a clean and hygienic workplace.
Mihira, I know dealing with these symptoms is both exhausting and unsettling, and it is completely normal to feel a bit anxious when your body isn't feeling like itself. Because we want to get you feeling better as quickly as possible, the most important next step is finding out exactly what is causing this discomfort. To do that, we need to gather a bit more information through a few routine medical tests. These might include things like a stool culture to check for any unwanted bugs, or a simple liver function test to see how your body is processing everything. Once we have those results, we will sit down together with the doctor for a thorough examination to look at the whole picture. From there, we might enter a brief period of careful monitoring to see how your symptoms evolve, or adjust your care plan based on what the data tells us. You are not walking through this alone, and every step we take is designed to give us the clarity we need to get you back to your vibrant self.